2,
1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Say alphabet naman. A. Say A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Yay! What is your name? What is your name?
My
Name is Bea Dorothy Hernandez. How old are you? 1. Very good. You want to go to school? Yes. Where is your bag? Where is your bag? Where is your bag? Ay, wala. What is your daddy's name? My daddy's name is Shannon. Mommy yun eh. Mommy's name. Oh, what is your mommy's name? My mommy's name is Shanalyn Mendoza Fernandez. Where is your eyes? Point your eyes. Eyes. Saan tingin dito ano? Nose. Teeth. Teeth. Head. Hair. Ears. Ear. Ear. Your underarm. Shoulder. Shoulder. Pit. Oh, very good. Tummy. Where is your tummy? Very good. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Bea. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Bea. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Flying kiss.